Hello friends, welcome back. This is my new video. In this video, I am going to telling you develop your own character. So let's get started. Don't depend others, depend on yourself because only you can change your life, only you can change your everything. So why are you waiting for someone else? Go to your homes and read many books and gain knowledge because only knowledge can save your life and knowledge can only save your character. So if you wanted to be more successful your life, you have a character, not career. Some people doing wrong because they are thinking wrong and they are never lock their aesthetic brain powers. They are just doing what others doing. They are a followers because they are doing others and they are seeing others. But you are not a follower, you are a creator of your own destination. You are a creator. You are not a popular sheep, you are a king. Or you are a lonely liar. So don't waste your time. Your time is limited. Work for yourself. Work for yourself. People come and goes, but knowledge is knowledge. Knowledge never goes. Knowledge is knowledge. So don't waste your time. Your time is limited. When you have a nothing, but when you have a nothing, but you have a knowledge. And when you have everything, you have a knowledge. So just learn fast, because if you wanted to earn more, first learn more. Your career depends on your hands, so don't waste your time. Your time is very expensive. Don't run girls, etc. games and many more. Take whatever you need, not others. And develop yourself, not others, because others just doing what others doing. Otherwise they followers, not a leaders, but you are leader. Develop yourself. India needs leaders, not followers. Be your own leader or be your own boss. Don't be a job seeker, be a job giver. India needs jobs giver. If you like my videos, hit the like button and press the bell icon and never miss another updates. Bye. Have a great day. You will be successful in your life, not immediately, but definitely. Work for yourself. Don't polish your outer world. Polish your inner world, because your inner world only change your life, not your outer world. Because when you change your vision, your life will start to change. So let's get started. Bye. Have a great day.